Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to sell international on eBay. So to do that, we need to use our browsing system. So open your browser and in the searching field type eBay shipping preferences. And now you should open the official website of eBay. This one, eBay International Shipping Program. Then we need to go to this opting out of eBay International Shipping, and here go to the link Shipping Preferences. And here you basically see all your shipping preferences. So here you see Exclude shipping locations, and here button Edit, and here you can exclude shipping locations. As you can see, I didn't exclude any shipping locations. So if you see that regions, those regions are excluded, remove them from the exclusion list by unchecking them or deleting. So if it's excluded, it will be marked like this, and if you want to sell to this specific region, you need to unmark it. So as you can see, I can sell internationally, and my listings are available for buyers from all those regions. Double check all the information and press save button, and all shipping preferences were updated. And then after you do it, create a listings like usual, and in theory all buyers should see your listings. So that's basically how you can sell internationally on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.